Hello everyone, my name is Xiaoxing Hao, and my student ID is S147913. Today I will introduce the content of assignment 2 of Digital Forests here as a fictional foreign investigator. I will analyze and report the case of 38 Nitroba University and harassment scenario. The first step is download a file called Nitroba PCAP file. Uh, in the case dictionary on this website, which is used mainly for Wireshark. When I downloading it, open it up, and in this screen, I can get a list of all the packets and click on any packet and see the details of the packet below, including some extractable numbers. Then we examine the data for packet statistics. Click on the capture file properties in statics. Here you can see similar SHA-256 and SHA-1. Then below you can see the information of the time, the first grouping time and the last grouping time, in which the elapsed time is 4 hours 22 minutes 39 seconds. Further down the list is some information about the grouping, including the number of packets that have been captured is 94410. Then we go back to the main screen, where we can slide down to find the answer to the task in the PDF file for this task. We can see a series of explanations about the case. Lily Trackage is teaching chemistry chat 109 this summer on NSU. Trackage has been receiving everything email and her personal email address. Personal email is lilytakridge at yahoo.com. She thinks that it is from one of the students in her class. She sent a screenshot of one of the person email message. She wants to know who is doing it. The email message. On the third page is a screenshot of an email sent to her. Below is what the sender said. Here you can see the IP address. You can see the IP address of the sender is 140.247.62.34. I think that's where this email came from. Then we take this IP address to the Wireshark filter. IP address. Go. After the completion of the input, this is the result, and then we double click on the first one to get to the detail screen and then we click on Estimate 2, and then we click on Destination and Source. And then we get the address of that computer is Apple E2 C0CE. And then we go back to the main screen and we do keyword filtering in the main screen, and we see frame contents needed to create. And we get three packages that contains two HTTP and one YMSG, and we click on the first one to analyze. Opening the display the details of the hypertext transfer protocol. People here can see the mail is sent www.centenary mouse mail net for animals email. Click on the second one. In the main screen to see another animals email sent via www.selfdestruct.com. So we get the relevant IP address and the IP address of the sender's computer. Then go back to Wireshark to find all frames that contains mail. Frame contains mail. Great. After filtering, select this frame. Select this. This frame whose destination is 74.2 125.19.19. Get mail HTTP 1.1. Click on it and then turn on Tracked in hypertext transfer protocol. Now we will find an email address. It is shipped at Gmail gmail.com. In the home page filter, you can also find that the source is 192.168.15.4. Destination is 74.125.19.17. Click it and select truncated in hypertext transfer protocol. In the cookie, we found another email address is coachj at gmail.com. Then we go back to the task PPT. And when we find the page with a list of class members, also class members, where we can check the names of the students. We can prepare a notepad and put the email address filtered out in Wireshark on it. And then compare it with the list of students. Here we can see that jcoach at gmail.com is consistent with junior coach in the list of students. Therefore, I think the final conclusion is that junior coach sent an anonymous email to Lily through his personal email. That's all. Thanks.